At times, when structuring your grid columns, you may want to control the amount of white space between each column instead of relying on the default gutter width. In these times, you can use grid offsets. You can offset a particular grid column from one column to 11. To structure an offset, you add a class of offset by and then the number of columns. Skeleton also provides shorthand offset classes of offset by 1/3, 2/3, and 1/2. The number denoted by the offset and the number of columns should collectively add up to 12 columns for the grid system to work properly. So let's give offsets a shot in our project. Let's change our 1/2 column to 4, make it plural, and then let's make this one here 5 columns. Now 4 plus 5 is just 9, but let's say for instance, based on the layout we're creating, we want to push over to the right this second column here. We can use an offset. So we'll put in offset by, and we'll say 3. Let's save. And as you can see, our right column has been offset by 3 columns. Now, you can of course utilize offsets with more than just 2 columns. So let's make some adjustments to add a 3rd column and also use an offset. So let's change 4 to 2. We'll copy this line up here and paste it and then save. And there we go. Finally, let's utilize one more example using the offset shorthand classes. This time, let's utilize a single column with an offset. We'll remove the bottom 2 columns, and we'll change this here to 2/3. We'll change this to singular, and then offset by 1-3. We'll save, and there we go. We now have a column that is 2/3 long, but also offset by 1/3. All right, so by combining grid offsets with columns, you were able to control your column layout even further. So in the next video, we're going to take a look at responsive adjustments.